Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s. And today I am so excited to be doing a video with you. I am going to be doing a get ready with me for Galentine's Day. And as you know, this is the day before Valentine's Day, whenever you have a little get together with your besties and your best girlfriends, gal pals. And today, how fitting to have a collaboration with a few of my best gal pals, girlfriends here on the YouTube platform, Tere's Corner and Vanessa Beauty. So today we are teaming up to do this little get ready with me. We are also going to be doing a little gift to some of our besties. You guys, our subscribers, please do go over and check out my friend Tere at Tere's Corner and Vanessa Beauty. I'll have their channels linked down in the description box along with their video links. So go and check out their videos and subscribe to their channels. Give them some love on Valentine's Day. And also check out their videos and their giveaways. Get in on that. Also, if you are here from their channels, hi, my name is Jeannie and I am a lover of makeup, beauty, skincare especially. I am 52, I think. Definitely over definitely over 50. I can never keep up with my age. I mean, whenever you get this old, just why even bother, right? Just keep on doing skincare. But anyway, I definitely love skincare, makeup, indie brand makeup. And if you have never been here before, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here now. And I would love it if you would take time and subscribe to the channel. Click the big red link down below. In today's video, I wanted to do a not only Valentine's Day look, but also in the spirit of Lunar New Year, do some red lips, some beautiful red makeup. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite time of the year. I just absolutely love Lunar New Year and I love red lipstick. So I just thought it would be fun to go ahead and do that. I've got half of my my look started already and I was like, you know what, I'm going to stop right here and go ahead and start this video and show you some of the products that I have been loving lately and how I've been using this. On my face today is the Urban Decay. This is the Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. And I have mine in the shade 30 Light. So I do like this foundation. I just don't know if I like it better than the one that I am just all about, which is the number 7 Protect and Perfect makeup. It's also in a tube somewhat similar to this. It's in the same teal blue coloring, and that one is just so amazing. But I do like this one. It is a little bit maybe more glowy than the number 7. This one is good as well. I just don't know that it warrants the additional price. So yeah, but I am wearing this one today, and I do have also underneath my makeup, I absolutely love the VDL. This is the Lumalayer Primer. This is the one that I seem to always go back to, and I really, really like this primer because it just gives you kind of that backlit effect, and this is one of my absolute favorite products. This is the new lip cheat that I picked up, and this is in the shade Savage Rose. So it's just a real pretty kind of a red color that you can sort of use with any red that you have, whether it's a blue base red, a bricky red, an orangey red. This one's gonna work with anything. And again, that shade is Savage Rose, and I'm really liking it. So the product that I pulled back out, I don't know if you remember this, we actually got this Iconic London out of a BoxyCharm box, and this is it's called Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. And guys, I have really been liking this. So it looks like this on the inside, and it comes with this little brush, and it has a spoolie, a little small spoolie on the other end, and you open it up, and there's a cushion compact in there full of your eyebrow products, and I've really been liking it. So I just take this little brush, and that's what I did this eyebrow with. And so I'm going to go in and do this eyebrow. It's so easy to use. You just go in, lift those hairs up, and there you go. That eyebrow's done. This eyebrow's done. If you have this from BoxyCharm, drag it back out. Mine's still good. It still works great. And I'm really, really liking this product. So yeah, I've been using that. So what are we going to do as far as the look goes today? Well, I have this Cool Crush palette from NARS. It's really, really pretty. And I haven't used it yet, and I've been dying to dig into this palette, but look at that. It is so pretty, and it's got this deep bricky red in it, plus some blue. So I really want to take the opportunity to use this in today's Get Ready With Me. And I also want to use some of my cream products from Charlotte. So I already have on the contour wand, and it is so, so pretty. And you just dot this on and just kind of take a sponge and buff it out by putting on just a little bit. It just goes on so easy. And then, you know, like I said, you just take your sponge and you're just going to buff that out, and it looks so, so nice, natural. It just has the best tonal value to it. I really, really like that product. And I'm going to use the, this is the Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand. It's just a little highlighter beauty light wand from her. Just gives your face a little bit of glow, and I may end up needing to use a little bit more blush, but we'll see about that later. I'm just going to start out with this for now. I have a horrible bruise right here, but I did use my banana powder, and it really worked well at covering up that bruise. It's where I got my Botox injection for my headaches. Let's get into doing the eye look with this eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited to use it. I'm going to go into this color right here. It's just a really light shade as just an all over transition shade. And before I actually do that, I am going to put down a base on my eyelids, and I'm going to use the P. Louise #2 base. I'm really liking the P. Louise eyeshadow base. It really lays down a nice coat to your eyelids. It's not sticky really, and I'm really liking the shade of it. And it really seemed to help cover up that big bruise that I have. I don't know if you can see that, but underneath my makeup, underneath that base and the banana powder, it's really huge. She hit a blood vessel whenever she was giving me my injection, so it's really bad. I'm just going to start deepening things up right here with this one. Oh, wow. I don't know why I've waited so long to use this palette, because it is really pretty. I'm really, really liking the shades in this palette. Now there is some kick up in the pan to this palette, but that never bothers me. Now I'm going to go into the darker red, which is in this shade right here. I'm going to use a Goss 19 where I can get right into that crease, right in the fold. Now I'm gonna start building up with this blue color right here. One of the reasons that I chose to do this look is because I really believe that the new Urban Decay palette is so dupeable. So just something to think about when you're considering maybe purchasing that. I really think that it's a very dupeable look. Like, I think this sort of gives me that new Urban Decay palette vibe. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments, but that's definitely what I'm feeling. Okay. I'm thinking that's looking pretty good right there. Maybe just a little bit of blue underneath, maybe just a little. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Okay, so the eyes are getting finished up. I'm liking the way that's looking. How about you? Okay, let's put on, I am dying. I'm dying to try this little gem right here. This is in the shade Rose Wish from Charlotte. Look at that. Yes, baby. It's my perfect shade of red. It's more like a deep bricky red. I just love that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. Let me finish up my look with some liner and lashes. I'll be right back. Hi guys, I am back with my final look. I have my lashes done. I've got my liner done. I hope that you enjoyed the look. Let me know if you think that it's kind of a dupe for that new Urban Decay, what is it called? Wild West, something like that. I sort of think that it is. So yeah, I think that that palette is very easily dupeable. I think there's a lot of palettes on the market that has that same color story. So yeah, let me know what you're thinking about that. As far as the giveaway today, we are going to be doing a giveaway. It has makeup and skincare. And if you would like to get in on that giveaway, remember that all you have to do is say, enter me, be 18 years or older, and have a U.S. shipping address. And remember that YouTube is not affiliated with the giveaway in any way, shape, form, or fashion. It is only a giveaway done and sponsored by myself. I bought the products myself, so it's not in cahoots with YouTube in any way, shape, form, or fashion. So just to put that out there. So like I said, this video is in collaboration with two of my really good friends here on YouTube, and that would be Tere at Tere's Corner and Vanessa at Vanessa's Beauty, and we are each doing a giveaway in our videos. So don't forget to run over and watch their videos, check out their giveaways, subscribe to their channels, and also if you want to win the giveaway, all you have to do is say, enter me in the comments down below, be 18 years or older and have a U.S. shipping address. And also let me just mention that this giveaway is not in any way associated with YouTube. YouTube is not affiliated with, in cahoots with, any of that jazz with this giveaway. This is just my giveaway. I bought the products myself, or I got them in some of my boxes, and I'm just wanting to give back to you, as we all are. So it's just a Valentine's Share the Love Galentines giveaway. So yeah, what are we giving away? Well, on my channel, I'm giving away one of my favorite products of all time, which is the Sponge Gelée, and this is my favorite scent. Oh my goodness, Blood Orange Sorbet. And then also I have the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. Really like this product as well. I've got a Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream here. I've got a pack of a trio mask set. This is Suns Out, Pouts Out lip mask, a Glam Straight gold foil face mask, and an I Woke Up Like This eye mask. So this is a trio of masks here. And I have the Desert Vibes eyeshadow palette from IBY Beauty. So if you want to get on this giveaway, like I said, all you have to do is just leave down in the comments section below, enter me, and you will be entered via a random comment picker, and then we will pick the winners and be announcing those 2 weeks from the air date of the video. And again, be checking out my community tab page for the giveaway announcement for that prize pack. I will try to find you on IG. If you leave me that handle, I'll reach out to you there. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed today's Get Ready with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video and the prize pack, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And have a wonderful Valentine's Day, guys. Much love from me to you. Bye till next time.